Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use mSpy to monitor an iPhone. It's a powerful tool that helps you track calls, messages, locations, and much more. But before we dive into the setup, let's talk about something important. The policies of this app can be a bit problematic, especially when it comes to refunds and customer service. That's why I created my newsletter, where you'll get honest insights into digital safety tools. You can also grab a free ebook titled Digital Safety Made Simple for better alternatives and insider tips. The link is in the description, so make sure you sign up and check it out after the video. First things first, you'll need to sign up for mSpy on their official website. Choose the plan that suits you best, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually. After purchasing, log into your mSpy account. If you're monitoring an iPhone, you'll need the iCloud credentials of the device you want to track. Ensure that iCloud backup is enabled on the target phone. For iPhones, you don't need to install anything on the device itself. mSpy works through iCloud credentials, meaning once you enter the iCloud information, mSpy will start syncing the device's data. Log in to your mSpy account. Enter the iCloud credentials and sync the device. You'll see the monitoring options available right on your dashboard. Once everything is set up, you can monitor call logs, track all incoming and outgoing calls, text messages, read SMS and iMessages, even deleted ones. Social media, monitor apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, and more. Location tracking, track real-time locations and set geofences. Browsing history, see the websites visited on the device. mSpy is a great tool, but no monitoring app is perfect, especially considering the policy issues. To stay ahead, sign up for my newsletter to get access to more tips and honest reviews on digital safety tools. Plus, you'll get insider knowledge on better alternatives that might be a better fit for your needs. If you haven't yet, grab your free ebook, Digital Safety Made Simple, to learn more about keeping your digital life safe. That's it. mSpy is a reliable tool for monitoring iPhones, but remember, there are other options available too. To stay informed and make the best choices for your needs, don't forget to sign up for my newsletter and grab your free ebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.